Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to list products on Shopify. And the first thing you need to do is log into Shopify admin panel, and in the left hand menu click on products. Let's click on the add product button. Then give your product a clear and concise title. Write a compelling product description that includes details like the features, benefits and materials. Use keywords to help customers find your product. Next, enter the product's price. Then inventory. Stock keeping unit. Assign a unique stock keeping unit to the product for inventory tracking. Then enter the number of items or quantity in stock. Next, you have to upload high quality images of your product from different angles. Then you can add variants. It's optional. If your product has different options, for example, different sizes, colors, you can create variants. For each variant, specify the options, the price, and the inventory. Next, you shall organize your product. Collections. Assign the product to relevant collections to help customers find them easily. Add relevant tags to improve product discoverability and internal organization. Then click Save to publish your product. It is important to note that high-quality images should be used. Always use professional-looking images that showcase your product from different angles. Also, write clear and concise descriptions that highlight the unique selling points of your product. Don't forget to use relevant keywords in product titles and descriptions to improve search engine visibility. Then ensure your product pages look good on all devices, so test them out on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. By following these steps, you can effectively list your products in your Shopify store and start selling online. Remember that Shopify provides helpful resources and guides within the admin panel to assist you further, and you can always refer to Shopify Help Center for any questions or assistance. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.